fine, and due to coronavirus you are safe and staying at home. Today we discuss that how we use two WhatsApp on same phone. So there is one application on Android phone which we can install, and we can install and then just enter the number of WhatsApp to create, and then use that WhatsApp on same phone. So here is the application name, parallel space. So here it is, the in Play Store you can check multiple account and two-face application. You can use even to Facebook, to WhatsApp, and any other application. You can use email to emails, and much more. There is another application which you can store in your phone and use two different accounts, uh, two-face, which named by two-face. Like you can use for WhatsApp only and other accounts as well. So here is the application. You can use that application, two-face, two accounts for WhatsApp, and any other application you can use. So please like, it's my second video, and please support me, and thanks for watching, and do subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you all.